It's 2 a.m. at a mission-critical facility, and ambient room temperature is climbing. Back at Murphy Data Center Services, our monitors receive an alert. By 2:04, our on-call engineer has notified the customer and dispatched a field team. Having designed and built the data center, we know it inside and out. We quickly zero in on the problem: a power failure to an AC unit caused by maintenance on another floor. By 6 a.m., cooling is restored. Temperatures have returned to normal. Crisis averted. Broadcasting was never interrupted. And equally important, the CEO never missed an email. At Murphy DCS, design and build includes building in peace of mind. It starts by taking the time to understand your unique business and the true costs of downtime. We see around corners, looking beyond what you need today to anticipate what you'll need a year from now. Clients nationwide trust our recommendations because we have decades of experience to back them up. Murphy Data Center Services. Design, build, maintain. We are here 24/7 to help you avoid costly downtime and maintain your system availability.